Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to flip camera on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up our Snapchat application right here. And I currently have my camera to use the back camera. So to switch it to front camera, there are two ways that you can do. So the first way that you can do is to click on this icon right here at the top right corner part of the Snapchat app, right above the flash option. So just tap on that and that will immediately switch your camera to the front camera or vice versa. Now the second way is to actually just double tap anywhere on your screen on where your video is showing. So just double tap it like that and it will also switch your camera in just 2 taps. So if that does not work for you, you can just go to your App Store or your Play Store if you have an Android and then search for Snapchat. And what we're going to do from here is to check if our app is up to date. So just tap on Snapchat, and if you can see an update button, just tap on that so that you will have the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to flip your camera using those buttons. So if it says open, that means that your Snapchat is currently up to date. So that is how you can basically flip your camera on Snapchat. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.